Is your bin becoming a magnet for flies, bad smells, and maggots this summer? We share simple, eco-friendly tips to help keep your bin fresher. First, hold your bag open properly so food waste stays inside and doesn't touch the bin. Choose a secure bag that won't easily leak. Once a week, spray and wipe the lid, rim, and inside to remove leftover residue. Next, tackle those unwanted smells. Use an odor catcher inside and try peppermint around the outside for a fresher smelling bin area. And when the weather gets warmer, flies become even more of a problem. A fly catcher near the bin can help keep them away. Cover the waste each time you open the lid. This helps keep it dry and less attractive to flies. Finally, close the lid properly after every use. This helps keep flies and pests away. So keep the waste contained, keep the bin clean, control the odors, and keep those flies away. Want more simple tips for a cleaner, fresher bin? Visit Green Living blog and discover our guide, How Smarter Bin Bag Habits Can Stop Maggots in the Trash Can, for simple, practical tips to keep your bin cleaner, fresher, and fly-free.